SIGER Data, Precision Machining Digital and Intelligent Application Case. The customer uses a TV700S high-speed drilling and tapping center, mainly for high-precision machining of communication components, medical devices, and 3C products, where consistency and stability are critical. Under frequent spindle start-stop cycles, long-term continuous operation, and ambient temperature changes, thermal expansion and deformation become major factors affecting machining accuracy. The SIGER Data Thermal Error Compensation System intelligently corrects thermal errors, effectively reducing accuracy drift caused by thermal growth. Value 1. Real-time thermal error correction. High-precision temperature sensors continuously monitor key positions on the X, Y, and Z axis, while a thermal compensation model runs on the E3 Plus edge computing platform. During high-speed and high-feed machining, the system corrects thermal displacement in real time, ensuring dimensional stability for precision parts. Value 2. Reduced thermal impact on accuracy. Based on actual machining tests, the CMS system delivers clear results in continuous high-speed operation. X-axis thermal error reduced by 7690, Y-axis thermal error reduced by 8087, Z-axis thermal error reduced by about 84. Thermal-induced micro-deformation is significantly minimized. Value 3. Precision for high throughput and unmanned production. For multi-shift production and changing conditions, the system uses predictive algorithms for 24-hour thermal error correction. With minimal manual intervention, it ensures stable and reliable accuracy for automated, unattended machining. System deployment and on-site training are completed within 2 weeks, with compatibility across various machine tools and machining centers. Based on existing hardware, the system can be expanded to include tool monitoring, collision protection, adaptive machining, and thermal error compensation, forming a low-cost 4-in-1 solution for full process intelligent control. Choose SIGER Data to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and ensure worry-free production.